I am very bullish on Sui and have been since buying back in mid-2024, but should I tell my folks to Aptos that is yet to make the huge gains Sui has made in recent months? And will Aptos make me more money from here on? These are the types of questions I'm asking myself, because I'll be honest, crypto in 2025 for me is about profit taking and making as much money as possible so I can hit some of my long-term financial goals. I believe both of these cryptos will make us investors serious money, but which one will make us the most and why? Well, don't worry, because all will be revealed by the end of this video. Now, before we really start, I want to give you a little warning. I've been investing in crypto now for 8 years, and this is my third crypto cycle. And I know that it's very tempting to get too attached to your favorite cryptos, as you spend far too long dreaming about how they're going to 5x, 10x, or even more. Yes, you are going to do this, it's natural, and it's okay to get a bit excited, just not too excited, because no one has a clue what the price of Solana is going to be, or any other crypto for that matter. This, if you're new to this channel, is my favorite crypto. And yes, I've spent far too long dreaming about Solana getting to $1,000 per token. But I won't be waiting for Solana to go from $200 odd to $1,000 before I take profits. I'm going to be using data to see where we are in the market, and I'll be cashing out incrementally over the next few months. This is my strategy as we start 2025. If you want to know my exit strategy in greater detail, have a look in the description below, and you'll find the link for a recently published video. The background of Sui and Aptos. Let's start with the basics. Both Sui and Aptos are layer 1 blockchains, meaning they're designed to operate independently without relying on another network. What's interesting is that they both emerged from the same origin story, the DM project by Meta. Now, after Meta shelved DM, teams spun off to create Sui and Aptos, building on the same foundational programming language, Move. Let's look a bit deeper into both of these cryptos. Sui, developed by Miston Labs, it focuses on high scalability and low latency transactions. Claims to have near instant finality for transactions. Uses an object-centric model which simplifies transaction execution and enhances scalability. Boasts a parallel transaction processing system, allowing it to handle thousands of transactions per second, TPS. Now, according to their website, Sui is capable of up to 297,000 TPS, and this is even faster than Solana. Aptos. Created by Aptos Labs, it prioritizes security and reliability. Known for its emphasis on safe smart contract execution, focuses on a Byzantine fault-tolerant BFT consensus mechanism for security and performance. Yes, I have no idea what that means either, but it does sound good. Aptos achieves a high TPS but emphasizes correctness and reliability over speed. Don't worry, that's about as technical as we're going to get, because I like to keep things simple. All I want to do with this video and this channel in general is to help other investors with my 23 years of investing experience. And these are two cryptos that I believe in. But please take my opinions and this video with a pinch of salt. You'll see plenty of crypto YouTube channels telling you the latest crypto to buy. Just be careful and make sure you do your own research. This is so important. I can't stress it enough. If you watch a video and they're telling you to buy a coin like Sui or the latest AI coin, go deeper. Watch a few videos about the same crypto, like 3 to 4 YouTube videos, then take some notes. Then go a bit deeper and look at things like the history of the project, the team behind it, the blockchain that it's operating on, the security around the ecosystem, the community around the project, like what's the size of their following over on X, the niche that it's operating in, the problem it's trying to solve, etc., etc. This video, by the way, doesn't contain any financial advice. My intention is to offer information based on my experience, but I am 100% not a financial advisor. So I invest into both cryptos, but what would I invest into if I had to choose? Well, that's what we're going to move on to. Let's talk about strategy. Let's say you are mainly focused on layer 1 cryptos and you're thinking of what to invest into. It's tempting to chase coins that are already skyrocketing, like Sui, which has seen tremendous gains in recent months, as I've touched on. But here's the thing. The real profits are found in identifying the next big movers before the breakout. As I've said, Sui and Aptos are quite similar in that both teams originally worked on Meta's Project DM, and they both use the Move software. Sui is currently leading the way with a 14 billion market cap, but Aptos, with a market cap of 6 billion, has significant room to grow, in my humble opinion. Both are layer 1 blockchains with robust ecosystems and increasing adoption. What I've realized over the years is that it's not about chasing what everyone else is buying now. It's about finding value where others aren't looking yet. I'm very, very bullish on Sui, and it's pushing Solana all the way as my favorite crypto. But crypto investing isn't about favorites. It's about making money and maximizing your profits. So in this case, I would say from this point forward, I would have to invest in Aptos. Yes, I invest in both. I like both. Well, I love Sui if I'm being honest. I've even bought myself one of the gaming consoles they are bringing out this year in 2025, despite not being a gamer. But I just think Aptos hasn't made any big moves like Sui, and it has more room to grow. By the way, if you want to know my fully updated crypto portfolio and you want help and support over the next 12 months, you can join my premium investing community on School. You'll find the link below in the description. If this interests you, you get 3 investing courses to up your game in crypto, and my weekly newsletter is exclusive to this community. There, I'll be keeping you fully up to date with exactly what's going on in crypto and the overall economy, and I'll be telling you exactly when I'm taking profits and why. Anyway, let's look at some data for both Sui and Aptos to finish off the video and help you decide if you like one of these two cryptos or maybe both like me. Looking at total value locked over on DeFi Llama, Sui has over 2 billion in TVL. Aptos has just over $1 billion in TVL. When compared to Solana, this is nothing, as this monster of a chain has just over $9 billion in TVL. But Sui and Aptos are younger than Solana, newer, so this has to be taken into account. In case you don't fully understand TVL, total value locked, a high TVL indicates that users trust the platform's security and reliability. This is similar to how investors analyze a bank's deposits to assess its stability. A growing TVL indicates that more users are engaging with the platform, which can lead to further growth. Looking at volume, Sui has had over $1.5 billion trading over the last 24 hours. That's plenty of action. Aptos has had $622 million traded over the last 24 hours. Trading volume is another important metric because it indicates the level of activity and liquidity in a cryptocurrency and can help traders and investors predict price movements. High trading volume means there are enough buyers and sellers for a cryptocurrency, making it easier to buy or sell large quantities without significantly affecting the price. Low volumes can lead to slippage, where the price moves against the trader or investor. So let's have a little look at the Bitcoin daily chart. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin is currently trading at around $103,000. It's trading just above the 9-day EMA, which is a bullish signal. What you'll notice over the last few weeks, you can see a lot of green candles and a lot of red candles. Now, a lot of investors, especially beginners, have been panicking. You see it across social media on platforms like X. I've heard it a lot from friends and family and messages. People are panicking, sending a lot of messages. Shall we sell? Is this the market top? All you've got to do is zoom out. Just look at what's been happening since November. And as you can see, it's an uptrend. Yes, you've got green days and red days, but overall, it's an uptrend. And this is going to continue into Q1 because of an increase in liquidity. Basically, more money coming into the market. And this is because of the global M2 money supply. It happens every 4 years. So we've still got time. We're just literally at the start of the bull market. Now let's have a look what was happening at the same period back in 2021. So between November 2020 and January 2021, as you can see, there's a big uptrend. And this continued right through to April 2021. So just look. So from November, we were trading at around 10th. So the start of November,
around $13,000. Mid-January, you're looking at 40,000, so a huge increase. So you're going from 13,000 to 41,000. And then from January through to April, you're jumping up to 64,000. So if this bull market is similar to the 2021 bull market, we're going to see a huge increase in the price of Bitcoin. Now, history doesn't always repeat, but it does normally rhyme, and you will have heard this saying time and time again. But literally, all we've got to go on is historical data. So this is just a quick look at the daily chart in 2025 and back in 2020 and 2021.
Let's say that after watching this video, you decide to do some further research. And eventually, when you have enough info and enough conviction, you buy both cryptos. You invest £500 of your hard-earned money. Well, this is the easy part. Now comes the hard part, and that is deciding when to sell. If you look below in the description, I've added the links for 3 videos that will help you with your crypto exit strategy. Basically, when is the time to sell and take some profits off the table? The bull market is where fortunes are made, but only if you have a clear plan for taking profits. If you don't spend time thinking about your crypto goals and you don't spend serious time thinking about your exit strategy, it's very likely to go tits up. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to keep fully updated as we move into 2025. Let me know in the comments below what your strategy is for taking profits in 2025. This sort of info will help other investors out, so why not put yourself out there and get in the comments